Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back for another video and I'm here to show you how I organize my new bag that I got from Amazon. This is the Relavel bag that I got in the size large, and I will link everything down below and I will give you a walkthrough on how I organize my stuff. And this is my new makeup bag for freelancing. I hope you guys learn something from it and enjoy it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I know what you guys are thinking. Right now it's just a mess because I dumped all my makeup from my old makeup train case that I have before. It was a hard case and I decided to dump them all on the table so I can sort them out and transfer them to this new makeup case that I got. And we shall see if I can fit all of them inside this bag. Wish me luck and let's get started. By the way, make sure you guys stay till the end of the video because I am giving you a quick walkthrough on how I categorize each items based on what works best for me. Just a quick note that all the brushes that you'll see in the video are just for sample purposes only, just to see how it looks like. I am actually using this bag or pouch from Relavel as well. I can link this product in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. It is awesome. It stands by itself and then you can just zip it up after you use them. It is awesome. I keep a separate pouch for my cotton balls, my wipes, alcohol, all the toiletries and cleaning supplies that I need to keep my station clean, Q-tips. Everything is here in this little pouch. I keep it separate. I forgot to show you the back of the bag. You can put the strap here, use it as a backpack. You can also put this when you're traveling on the handle of your suitcase. It's very convenient. So I just want to show you what the inside looks like. The first compartment, I got my eyeshadow palettes, the Tati and the Urban Decay Born to Run, contour palette, blush palette. On the next compartment, the top first. So yeah, I don't have all my brushes because I just washed them currently. So I have my clean brushes, my lip liners. I have more space here that I can put for eyeshadow brushes, face brushes, every single thing. And on the next one, and in this compartment, I only have one thing, which is my foundation palette from RCMA Makeup. This part is the main compartment. So I have my powders, mineralized powders, highlighters from Fenty, blush from MAC, NARS. In this compartment, all the fake lashes. I got some disposable mascara ones. I got my oil control film. And here I have all my lip products. Everything is here. I got my lip gloss. I probably have, I'm gonna say 20 lipstick can fit here. Also some more lip products. My lip gloss from Fenty and my favorite glitter eyeshadows from Stila. Here's the miscellaneous tools. Eyebrows, which should be here. Or my sharpener. I got my sharpener from Sephora. My lash glue. Eyelash curlers, my tweezers, all the good stuff here. This section right here is my skin prep section. My favorite product right now is this Embryolisse cream to prep the skin. I got my Marc Jacobs Dew Drops, my MAC, and I got a new primer which is from Milk. For the eye products, I got my mascara from L'Oreal. I got my eyeliners, which I'm probably gonna put here. Okay. So I got my, okay, I'm gonna put them there, but just in case, these are my brow products, brow pencil from Anastasia and the Face Shop. Moving on to my foundation, which I have quite a few. My latest one is from Smashbox. This is amazing for oily skin. It doesn't move and it's like full coverage. So I love this. So I gotta have this. But everything is the L'Oreal Infallible. There's like a tiny compartment. I put my favorite eye primer from Urban Decay. So these are my concealers and contour sticks. This is a contour stick from Maybelline. Got ones from MAC. And I got a couple of drugstores. And I got my NARS, a Shape Tape, and MAC. And that is it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot and enjoyed this video. If you guys are trying to decide if you are gonna buy this and you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.